Is your Fire Stick running a little slow? These few settings might be able to help you out. Go all the way over to your cogwheel settings button. Come down to preferences. Under privacy settings, device usage data, turn it off. We don't need people to know what you're doing. Collect app usage data, turn it off. Big Uncle doesn't need to know what you're doing. Interest-based ads, if you want to see them, turn it off. No one needs to know what you're doing. Data use monitoring. If you have a maximum amount of data you need to use per month, maybe turn it on and then adjust it as needed. If not, turn it off. Notification settings, turn it off. Featured content, turn off the autoplay, turn off the auto audio. These things are just going to slow down your Fire Stick. Sync recent content. If you have multiple Fire Sticks, one in your kids' room, one in your bedroom, one in the living room, and everybody watches something different at different times, leave it off. If you're all by yourself and you have multiple Fire Sticks and you want to continue off where you left off from the living room to the bedroom, sure, leave it on. Location, don't worry about. Time zone, up to you. Language, choose what you need. Metric units, because I'm in Canada, set to whatever you would rather. Then we can also go into My Fire TV. And of course, under About, if you don't have developer options, click it 7 times. I'm already a developer. And turn on ADB debugging and install unknown apps. Turn on downloader if you have it, and whatever else, turn it on so that you can jailbreak so you can sideload apps on your Fire Stick. Legal compliance, sleep. If you wanted to go to sleep, you can restart factory defaults if you need to. If it's really acting up, factory defaults and just start from scratch. All right, guys, that's it. Now your Fire Stick should be blazing fast. Blazing fast. Hopefully. If not, check out my next app. Idea right here.